thought it was funny. We've finished off the Pinot Grigio, and this time we're actually doing the recipe that we're using it for. The Pinot Grigio is from Stella Rosa by the Verboli family. They're not paying me to say it yet, but I'd like them to, and I just love them, so.
That is true. Every time he comes over, brings over Stella Rosa.
So happy Sunday, everybody. My name's Anthony, and I am with my sister from another mister, Chrissy Bixby, aka my best friend's wife, mother to my goddaughter. And we are doing Pears Al Vino Bianco.
Quick, it's almost time for the nun's rosary. This is 8th grade history, man. Stealing the Sacramental Wine? It's not sacramental until they bless it, moron. All clear.
Are you gonna confess this?
I'm gonna tell my soul something. Not what.
Hey, whatever happened to boys will be boys?
He stole from the church. They don't make him any lower than that. This could wait till after dinner. But your father and I have talked. You are not to play Mario Kart or go skateboarding for 3 weeks. And no TV.
No.
And you are not gonna sit on that internet either. And every day, you're going to ride your bike over to Green Grove Retirement Home and visit Grandma.
Oh, that'll be nice. What does he need a psychiatrist for?
Is it okay if I take that pear, Grandma?
Pears with white wine, and I'm doing this out of the Soprano Family Cookbook. I've also been working out of Entertaining with the Sopranos, just the Soprano Family Cookbook today. So we have 6, is that Bosque pears?
Bosch? Bosch?
Bosque? Well, is it a French word?
Don't know.
Whatever.
Oh, Bosch, yeah.
6 Bosque or Anjou pears. Fun fact, my last name should have been Perry. Or Pereira in Spanish, actually, but my mom put the wrong name down.
We're not upset.
1.5 cup. I want to fit in with the rest of my family. She made me weird. Actually, according to therapy, yeah, my mom did make me weird.
Yep.
So 1.5 cups of white wine. We're using the white dry wine, hence why we're using Pinot Grigio by Stella Rosa. 1/2 cup of water, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 lemon zest strips.
Yep.
About 2 inches long.
Vanilla.
It does ask for vanilla bean, and I was like, I am so tired. I am not searching this store for vanilla bean. So I'm cheating, using vanilla extract. A recipe is a suggestion. Make it your own, do your own thing. So, in a saucepan, it's supposed to be tall enough that these could stand up, but they're gonna be laying down anyways. Take the saucepan and, oh, also, I forgot to mention, I went and I started my career in pear proctology. And
Slow start. That's okay.
take it, decor them.
Take the cores
She
out.
thinks it's funny. Take the cores out using a melon baller, a spoon. I used a knife, a paring knife. In a saucepan large enough to hold all the pears upright. Bring the wine, water, sugar, lemon zest, and vanilla bean to a simmer over medium heat. So just pour-a-thon.
Trying to get in on this.
Again, having help is nice, unless you're an octopus. In which case, please message me. How are you watching my videos as an octopus? I'm so intrigued. We're gonna eyeball the vanilla because,
Stop until your ancestors, go until your ancestors say stop.
well, and my ancestors are Mayan, and we're pretty close to the source of vanilla, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And plop, plop.
All right, move this over.
I got vanilla on the book too.
This is gonna smell that much better.
Simmer over medium heat, stirring until the sugar is dissolved, and then add the pears and reduce the heat to low. The youngling thinks everything is hilarious right now. This whole video is just gonna be Sophia laughing.
Yeah, that's fine. All you need to know is, sugar, water, vanilla, pears.
It's like that scene in Men in Black. Give me sugar in water. If you hear random child laughter, your house isn't possessed. My goddaughter's in the other room having the time of her life with a ball.
Now, if you are pausing the video or it's no longer playing, and you still hear the giggling, then your house is possessed. Call a priest.
Okay, it's dissolved.
It's dissolved.
So
But it needs to come up to a simmer. It's not a simmer.
it needs to come up to a simmer. This is why I can't read. I got the dumb.
You said.
I know I said it. Maybe cut back on the wine until you're done with the heat
No.
on the fire on the stove part. Oh, I think Matt heard us and took her to another room.
But there's a strange silence. So this is really nice because you could just so the fanciest thing here that you're probably not gonna have at your house is like pears, at least in a traditional California house because we all have wine.
Yeah.
So, but this is like simple, easy, and like you can just throw it together, and when people come over, you know, you feel fancy. It's the simplest thing, but you'll be like, oh my god, you'll be so impressed. I have a light simmer coming in there, so we can probably throw the pears in.
Okay. So now, actually, the book kind of makes it sound like they're on their side, even though they're supposed to be in a pot that they can sit upright in.
All right, add the pears, reduce the heat to low, turning the pears. I mean, I think this is one of those, like, maybe you want to have it on the side. We're gonna try it once for 20 minutes. Yeah, that way it kind of coats all the way.
Then a whole lot of nothing for like 20-ish minutes. Just kind of
Reduce the heat to low.
rotate them. Reduce the heat to low. And rotate occasionally for 20-ish minutes.
Yeah, turn the pears once for 20 minutes.
You don't listen to me. Chrissy knows
Reading.
what she's doing.
No, she's reading. Turn the pears once. Let them simmer for 20 minutes. Or until they are tender when you poke it with a knife.
Cool. So that in 20 minutes we will turn it.
Yep. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
Watching you, Alexa. Machines are trying to take over. So we're transferring the pears to a serving dish, turning the heat under the pan to medium-high, and cook the syrup until thickened and golden, about 10 minutes.
You will need tongs.
Tongs that I still owe replacement set for. They are definitely so tender that you have to be gentle.
There we go. Now, do we keep the lemon in here?
Yes. So now everything in the pan, other than the pears, stays in the pan. Medium-high heat for another 10 minutes. Pear juice drizzle time.
That did not sound appealing.
And now we drizzle. Oh god.
You got this.
It's hot liquid,
It's not cold.
not cold. I missed. I keep missing. Ah! It could have been a lot thicker, but such is life.
We went by the recipe time.
Now we let this cool. In the meantime, we're gonna have dinner, and it should be pretty cool by then, so.
Cheers.
Flash forward. I'm gonna put this aside over here, and which one do you want to try?
We need to try the
Squatty over here?
squatty.
Oh.
Oh, that is very nice.
Oh, jeez, yeah. Oh. Ooh.
Oh, that looks very nice. Are we trying this?
Oh, I'm already. It went through like a hot knife through butter. The recipe book says to serve chilled. We just let it sit out while we ate our pasta, and we're like, you know what? Let's have it a pinch warm.
This is great.
It's so good. You know what might or might not go well with this? Some cherry vanilla ice cream. But to watch that recipe, subscribe. There should be a bubble over here that pops up, and it'll be next week's recipe. My birthday is this week, and it's saddled by 2 desserts: pears and wine sauce, white wine sauce, and cherry vanilla ice cream. So subscribe. You get to see how the ice cream turns out next week. We're about to find out right now on the side of this pear.
Yep.
And until next week, manja.
Cheers.